Hi everyone, welcome to the Color Office. We're mixing our own paint today because the last two paintings with pre-mixed paint did not meet my standards. Previously on the Color Office, we invited blue, green, yellow, and purple into the same project. And let's just say the results were complicated. We tried a dirty cup pour and then a clean pour with bottle bottoms. But the pre-mixed ended up dark and dull. So today, we are running the test one more time. Same colors, different paint. We will be using Floetrol as the pouring medium. We use 1 part paint, 2 parts Floetrol.
The green paint felt a little thin, so I added more paint. I was not going to be the reason this painting failed. The thicker the paint, the less likely they are to bleed together. But if the paint is too thick, it won't flow properly on the canvas. You want the right consistency, not too thick, not too thin.
For the paint, we're using purple, yellow, blue, and green. We will do the bottle bottom pour technique. This technique works best with a clean pour. Each color will be poured from their own cup. Since yellow got lost in the previous paintings, I decided she should be the base for this painting. I wanted to give her a chance to shine.
I was thrilled when I found out I was going to be the base for this painting. I am confident in the paint I mixed. When you mix your own, you have total control over the consistency and how the colors interact. Control is everything. With pre-mixed, you lose that fine-tuned flow that makes a clean pour successful without bleeding. Using the bottle top technique requires the paint to be just thick enough to stay vibrant but thin enough to flow into these beautiful flower patterns.
The structure of this pour is beautiful so far.
Purple going first over yellow is giving drama, and I love it.
I appreciate being first on the first flower. That feels like the correct move.
I don't want anyone to panic about me coming bold in the beginning. I have this all under control.
I'm bringing the balance between purple and blue. Blue thinks she is balanced, but not next to purple.
I thought blue was going to take me over in this painting, but she behaved this time.
I know when to pull back when I need to. The other colors misunderstand me. The consistency here is perfect. If the paint is too thick, it may sit on top of the bottle bottom and not spread evenly. If it's too thin, it can run too fast and muddy the colors. With colors like yellow, blue, green, and purple, control is everything. These colors can get muddy quickly. Before you lift the bottle bottom, give the paint a second to settle and flow onto the canvas.
The colors are bold and vibrant. We got this one right.
Now for the magic, let's spin it. Watch how those flower patterns emerge from the center. I love how the yellow held its ground against the blue and purple. It's all about that clean pour look.
This is where the true quality of your mix is revealed. My self-mixed colors stay distinct and sharp.
Let the record show I behaved.
I would call this a success.
We can hold our heads high in the office again. This painting properly represents my skills.
Look at the difference. The pre-mixed pieces bled together, while my own mix is vibrant and well-defined. Paint you choose matters.
Yellow is right. The paint mix matters. Today's results prove that. I hope you enjoyed this episode of The Color Office. Like and subscribe so you don't miss what we paint next. Stay colorful, everyone.